Namaste all. Today we are going into another concept. Let us take a sentence for example. It's not safe to go out. This is the sentence. Now let us see. We know to read the sentence. We know the meaning of this sentence. But let us know what is the purpose of using this sentence. It's not safe to go out. There is certain purpose that we use this sentence to somebody. So we talk upon speaking English, which we call it as spoken English, with a purpose. In the sense, why did we use this sentence? Suppose we put a question for this sentence or a word or a phrase. Why we used this sentence or a word or a phrase or giving instruction, then we will come to know the purpose of the usage of that sentence. And this is called as language function. So, the function, the purpose of the sentence used here is to give a warning. Now, the warning is nothing but the language function. And this could be used in many utterance. So, when we talk, that is what we call it as spoken English in many ways. One is we can use it in polite way. For example, it's not safe to go out. This is a polite way of using the sentence. Next is rude way. It's not safe to go out in a rude way. Next is monotonous way. Very boring way. It's not safe to go out. So these are the utterance. So when we speak about language function in spoken English, we keep in mind the purpose of the language, the utterance, and then the form. This we call it as the form of the language. Form in the sense, it could be word, phrase, sentence. So the main thing that we need to bear in mind is, for speaking a language, in another way, spoken English, language function is the main thing. That is what we say. Language is not taught, it is caught, and it goes in a continuous way. And to bear in mind, the form, the utterance, and the purpose is very important. Why do we talk language? Why do we say some forms? How do we utter? Whether it is in a polite way, rude way, or monotonous way. So in our coming classes, we will be seeing some more language functions and why these language functions and how these language functions are going to support our spoken English. So keeping each purpose in our mind, we can start from greeting, introduction, introducing, instructing. There are many number of language functions which we are going to look into with their forms, with their utterance and their purposes. Thank you for being with me for this particular video. Meet you in yet another video. Thank you.